So Nicholas McGee's reporting, also known as the governor for the United States Congress, possibly in 2014, on conference call with the White House today. I would like to extend a special invitation to the President or First Lady Michelle Obama to come down here on the campaign trail with me. If I decide to gather signatures as a Republican for the United States Congress 2014. President Obama, I told you I was your Pit Hyde, and thanks for realizing that. This is truly impacting my generation as a young Republican.
Representative Martinez-Fisher or Judge Jenkins, anything to add on that? Sure. This is Trey Martinez-Fisher. And I think this, from a policy, how does it impact the politics? I think that what's important to understand is that there's not been one counter proposal to Affordable Care. If you were critical of ACA, there's been no proposal put forward. And frankly, no is not a public policy choice in the state of Texas. And so when I remind my colleagues all the time, we have 5.7 million uninsured Texans. We are going to have to make tough choices, hard decisions, and ask folks to share the sacrifice. Expanding Medicaid should not be partisan. Republican governors in New Mexico, Arizona, Ohio, other places have accepted the expansion. So I think for many of us, we keep